Hello everybody, welcome to Skeltoz Prints. If you're new to the channel, welcome. In today's video, you'll be hearing about my Etsy announcement. I will now be opening an Etsy shop. It is currently open as you're seeing this video. The link will be down in the description, but I wanted to show you guys how to go through the process of ordering through Etsy for me, or if you know somebody that needs 3D printing services. So let's get into it. This is Skeltoz Printing. This is very simple right now, and it's still going to be in the works, but I wanted to get it out there for everybody. This is the homepage to the Skeltoz Printing site. This is the only thing I have up right now is the custom 3D quotes in the printing service. So we're going to click on this and I'll show you all how to go through like the process and kind of explain it. Can't show you everything, but I'm going to show you and explain to you what the process is. So I have it set as $1. We will not be purchasing this. It just has to hold a value to it. And if you see it only has one left, no need to fear. There is no limit to the amount of people I can order from this because of what I'm about to explain. So just in the description, welcome to Skeltoz Printing. I'm here to provide you custom quotes on fast and affordable 3D printing services. So how this all works, you're going to click message Skeltoz or message seller that you see here on the page. On the page on the computer, it is all the way at the bottom. You hit the message Skeltoz button right here, and a message goes straight to me. And that's where we can start describing your details on the 3D printing project that you have. You can tell me anything you have and provide additional resources such as videos, photos, and any other details that you want. Maybe links to your Thingiverse. If you maybe have a Thingiverse but you don't have a 3D printer to make your files, that is something else I can also work with. Because I predominantly work with STL files, I believe there's other types of files that I have to look into that we can work with, but predominantly I work with STL files, so you can send those to me as soon as you message me, or you can email them to me at skeltoz20@gmail.com. That's the business email I'll be working out of, and you can get 3D printing stuff to me that way as well. Like I said, anything, you could also link me Thingiverse things to that email, or you can link them to me straight in the messaging through Etsy. Once I have the files, I'll be able to provide a much more accurate pricing and timeline of when things can get printed. Depending on how complex and the size of the project is, depending on how long it's going to take, but typically I'm going to try and have something back to you within 24 hours of us first messaging, and once you provide me the links or the files. The pricing discussed, I can then create a custom order link and you'll be able to purchase your print through that. Just a couple of links here I have. Check out the storefront. On everything every listing will have a link that brings you straight to the storefront, and it also has the YouTube channel, because anything I print on the Etsy shop could be showcased on the YouTube channel. Of course, if the buyer wants to be showcased. Not everything has to be there. Some person will be really quick. It might not be able to get a full video made out of them, but that is an option there, especially if people want or don't want it to be showcased on the YouTube. They can actually see the process of how their items were created. So what am I providing? Fast and free custom 3D printing quotes, 24-hour turnarounds, hopefully. It could be guaranteed sooner if we're not too busy. And then post-processing, clean up your models. It has stringies to it. Doesn't look terrible, but it has like little nubs and stuff on it. I'll clean those off. I'm not going to do a full sanding. That's not what I'm here to provide. I'm here to provide strictly the 3D printing service and a simple cleanup that I can do to your products. Here's the affordable PLA and PLA Plus pricings. It's going to be 10 cents USD per gram is kind of the prices that I've kind of targeted with. It's really simple, and that's kind of the way to affordability. Something other, it just keeps it really affordable. Specifications I'm working with on the printer, or I'm working off a Creality Ender 3 Max. Print volume is 300 by 300 by 340. 300 by 300 is the bed, and 340 is the height, which is, it's kind of like 11.5 by 11.5 by like 12.5, if we want to look at it that way, is kind of the max build volume I have to work with. Hopefully soon I'll have other printers that I can work with. Materials I'm currently working with are only PLA and PLA Plus, because I am working out of, the place in which I sleep still. So can't be having any fumigation of other things such as ABS. But hopefully soon we'll be able to get into like a better space and have better printing environment. The colors I have right now are pretty simple: black, white, silver, blue, transparent, and gray. And there's some other custom colors that I have that I didn't list because I don't have a lot of them, and they're for other projects that I don't know if they would get used by a regular an everyday person. But if there's a color you want printed, we could talk about it. I could get it ordered, but it will most certainly delay your print and ship date. But if that's a color you're willing to wait for, then we can order it up. We'll talk about it. Shipping rates, everything will vary on the weight and the packing material. Everything will be shipped via USPS. If it's domestic or even international, everything is shipped via USPS. So that is pretty much the Etsy shop. And just to give you a timeline of how everything works, if you placed an order today, which I'm recording is February 27th, between March 7th and 8th, the order will be shipped. So I have about a week. I have between 5 and 7 business days to work on it, or about 5 to 7 days to work on it. It'll be shipped between March 4th and March 8th, and then you'll get it between March 8th and 12th. That's for domestic. International has like international has a 7 to 21 day shipping time. Obviously depending on where you are. I don't have a better gauge. I've never shipped anything internationally, but I wanted to offer it as well. You know, Etsy allows you to do that, so hopefully we'll be going international soon enough. But that is the Skeltoz printing website. Hopefully I'll see you guys in my messages to order stuff from me, or if you know people, let them know. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be posting a lot more content. There's probably going to be 2 videos out a week. I have a lot of personal projects I'm working on, and Etsy shop will also provide projects that can be showcased. So just keep an eye out for more announcements. I can be seen on all the different kinds of social medias: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all going to be down in the description, and even TikTok. I'm going to start posting stuff on TikTok as well. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.